When it comes to car maintenance, most people immediately think about engine oil. It's the most commonly discussed and regularly checked fluid in any vehicle. But what if I told you that your car relies on more than just oil to stay alive and healthy? In fact, there are 3 less obvious fluids, often overlooked, that are just as critical for your engine's health and performance. Ignoring them could lead to engine damage, overheating, or even complete failure. So today, let's explore the 3 hidden car fluids that could truly save your engine's life. Number 1. Transmission fluid, the smooth operator. Your car's transmission fluid does a lot more than you might think. It doesn't just lubricate the moving parts inside the transmission, it also helps with cooling and hydraulic function. If the fluid level drops too low or becomes dirty over time, your vehicle can experience harsh shifting, delayed acceleration, or even complete transmission failure. For vehicles with automatic transmissions, this fluid is especially important. It's usually bright red or pink and should be checked regularly with the engine running and the car on level ground. Tip: transmission fluid should typically be changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on the car manufacturer's guidelines. Number 2. Coolant, the temperature manager. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a blend of water and chemical additives that help regulate the engine's temperature. It keeps the engine from overheating in the summer and freezing in the winter. But here's what many drivers don't realize. If your coolant is old, dirty, or low, it loses its effectiveness. That can cause engine overheating, radiator damage, and even cracked engine blocks in extreme cases. Tip: check your coolant level in the reservoir regularly and flush the system every 2 to 5 years, depending on your vehicle and driving habits. Number 3. Brake fluid, the silent protector. You might think brake fluid only matters for stopping your car, and that's mostly true. But here's the catch. In many modern vehicles, brake fluid is connected to electronic systems and hydraulic functions that communicate with the engine. If your brake fluid becomes contaminated with water or dirt, it can reduce braking performance and interfere with engine-assisted systems. It's usually a clear or slightly yellow fluid, stored in a transparent reservoir under the hood. Over time, it becomes darker and less effective. Tip: replace your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to keep both your braking system and engine systems running smoothly. These 3 fluids, transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid, may not get as much attention as motor oil, but they're just as important for the health and longevity of your engine. By checking and replacing them regularly, you could prevent serious damage, avoid costly repairs, and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. If this helped you learn something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a critical maintenance trick. And comment below, which of these fluids have you been ignoring?